Hi, this is Corey Hopke. I'm the golf course superintendent, and this is a short overview of the creek stabilization project number 2 going on right now. As you can see from this part of the video, it's well underway. The creek bank was collapsing. We've done a bunch of grading work down here. There's going to be a rock wall installed. Unfortunately, we're going to lose the little walk bridge down here in the next couple days. I'm making this video on Thursday. We're probably going to be sodding this thing on Tuesday. So hopefully by the middle of next week it'll be all wrapped up, weather permitting, and we'll walk you down a little bit closer and show you some details on it now. Okay, this is a side view of the creek. If you recall, the whole T side of the creek bank was totally collapsed, and we had about almost an 8 to 10 foot cliff over there where it was constantly caving in, falling into the water, washing downstream. All that's been graded off. There's kind of two shelves here. You'll see the main shelf that slopes down to the creek, and then kind of a flat area on either side of the water. Those flat areas will be sodded as well as the creek. There'll be some rock lining the creek bank, and right over to the right here where you see the real steep bank, that's going to be a rock wall. We'll show you a picture of the rock that we're going to be using, but from the cart path bridge over to about 30 feet, there's a sheer wall built out of these big boulders. So all the dirt areas you see right here will be sodded, be nice green grass going down through there. And the main reason for this engineering was to slow the water down. You can see where it used to be a straight shot going through here. Water really built up a lot of velocity. Now there's a curve to slow the water down, and where the water hits the bank, it'll all be reinforced in rock. So hopefully we have decades of erosion-free creek bank maintenance in front of us. It should come out really nice. As I said earlier, that little walk bridge over there, I think we're going to have to lose in order to get a better slope on that over there so it doesn't start to deteriorate on us. This is a shot of the rock that'll be used for the building of the wall to turn the creek down in there. Within the creek bank, these large stones will be set down in there to stabilize the creek bank and basically buffer the creek bank against the water pounding against it. Over here to the right, where we've taken all the excess dirt and stacked it up to the right of the green, that will just be a mound. It's gotten about high enough now where our privacy fence is partially covered, and once this is done, I'm sure sometime in the future we'll plant something low growing in there to probably turf to start with, and then eventually something decorative up in there. But it'll all be smoothed off and grassed, and the creek should be good for decades to come.